Hello RC lovers, this is MJHN 1998 showing you the best way to get a spare blade. When your helicopter crashes and the blades rip off, you're wondering like where in the market you could find it. So I discovered a way you could do your own mini RC helicopter blade. So first thing you need to have is plastic. Found this from a plastic board that was on the house that was on sale, and it's pretty flexible, as you may see. So first thing off, you have to have a spare blade. You have to trace the spare blade on the plastic with a pencil, or with a pencil, not a pen. If you do it with a pen, it will be a little bit hard to trace. So when you got it, the blade traced on the plastic, you have to cut it. So let's do it. You have to be very careful, you don't want to scratch the blade. You have to trace it as perfect as possible. Now that you got the blade, you will notice that this blade, the original, is folded, so you have to fold it. You can do it with a screwdriver. You only have to put it in here and roll it. Folding. Folding. And there you go. Spare blade, more flexible, more durable, well, not more, it's the same aerobaticness in the helicopter, so yeah, it's good. It's better, actually. That was the tutorial for a spare plastic blade for your RC mini helicopter. Thank you for watching my video. Stay tuned for more.